Hey, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing something quite cool. I'm hoping that it's what I think it is. Let's see. So this I think came from China. Let's see. It's a gaming mouse, but it's not just any ordinary gaming mouse. It's something very cool. A box in a box. And that's what it is looking like. Here, so it's a ErgoStrike7 gun mouse with FPS-Tailored Recoil. That's from RAGNOK. So it says it's got recoil technology. When you shoot it, it goes back. Mechanical trigger and a 65-degree ergonomic design. It's got the recoil on and off over here. The left button trigger, the fire button, right button, forward button, back button, scroll wheel, recoil slider. Over here, customizable buttons. Okay, it's cool, advanced performance, and then tri-mode connectivity. So it's got cable, Bluetooth, and maybe Bluetooth dongle. It's got BT 5.1, 2.4 gigahertz, and wired. So let's see what she's like inside. A better idea. Is there anything to cut? A few moments later. Okay, so lid off. In the box we have our ErgoStrike7. So recoil's off at the moment. You've got 1x and 2x. So 1x. Oh, proper buttons. Comfortable in the hand, like a little handgun. I wonder if it's going to have power. We've got a little blue light. Ooh. That's 2x. That's 1x. Nice. So that's just button, button, twist. Imagine you like working and you click, you drag across. I'll put recoil. Oh, that's a bit better. In a meeting, drag your Excel across to the next screen. That's cool. What else do we have in the box? Charging cable, I presume. Yeah. So Chinese, also English user manual, even software to download. Cool. We have, I don't know. Presumably these come off, they're spare ones. Okay. Yeah, it is slidey. It says remove. I don't want to remove it. Okay, and then we have this other little boxy here. I presume it's be some sort of a charging cable. Oh, not bad charging cable actually. So we have quite a few things here. We got the USB with a corded one, and then on the end we have some adapters. So USB-C to USB, and then we got USB-C. And where do we charge? Oh, no, not there. Where is it? Oh, in the front. Didn't see that. I thought for a second that had some sort of an Apple design, but no, chargers in the front. Cool. I'm not sure why they gave us this then. Cool, so that goes in there. Boom. And this goes here. Still flashing. I'm guessing that's Bluetooth to compare it up. And that's probably the this thing here that's in here. That's the whole reason I bought it. Oh, it even goes different colors. Oh, it's done 2x, back and off. I don't know if the clicking this button changes the light, but gives you an idea. But that is the RAGNOK ErgoStrike7 gun mouse with FPS-Tailored Recoil. If you guys have any questions or comments about it, let me know, and I will definitely let you know how my experience is. Otherwise, shot for watching the unboxing.